We have just acquired this absolutely stunning top of the range Range Rover 4.4 V8 Autobiography, finished in stunning Firenze red. It's got diamond cut alloy wheels, absolutely stunning condition. All the tyres, Pirelli Scorpions, as they should be. Running sideboards, privacy glass to the rear, park distance control. This does have the fully electric tow bar. It is in beautiful condition. Sport Autobiography, electric tailgate. The side is absolutely immaculate. So we have the retractable tow bar. It comes out there. See, that's all fully operational. Boot area is in superb condition. Interior, Meridian sound system, full black leather, got a fixed panoramic roof, heated seats and climate control to the rear, electric memory front seats, heated seats as well. 84,132 miles, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, all the settings you want here as well, satellite navigation, DAB radio, first pan camera, climate control seats, hot or cold, aircon's blowing beautifully in cold, different ways of driving it. So we have the fridge, got a blind for the roof as well if you want, armrests here. Plenty of other things I think I don't know about as well, but it's in beautiful condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.